Hey y'all, this is Dave. I'm your host for DaBombo Smokes. I've decided to do my take on Pico Da Gallo. I don't know if you've ever had Pico Da Gallo. A lot of people have heard of it, but I've got my own take on it. I kind of made it my own. So we're gonna do that today. And one thing I gotta tell you before we get into this video is that I totally messed up on my sound. It's just one of those things where you just think you got all the bases covered and nothing goes right. So I had to do voiceover for most of it. So I hope hope that'll come out all right and you won't mind that. I usually like to do my own narrating live, but in this case I forgot to hook up my microphone correctly and I did not have any sound. So that being said, let's get on with the show. All right, we've got about a bunch of cilantro, 1 avocado, about 5 Roma tomatoes, seeded, washed and seeded, and then we've got a Poblano pepper, seeded and washed. We've got about, about a bunch of some garlic and about a half a white onion here. And then we've got a few mangoes in a cup, and we've got some lemon juice, black pepper, and natural sea salt. And that, my friends, is all the ingredients that go into Pico DaBombo. Let me show you what I found on Amazon. This is a neat little manual chopper. It's got the little spring-loaded pull, like a lawnmower, and you just pull it and you got the little choppers in there, and they chop the food up. That's why I didn't chop everything real fine, because this does a pretty good job. But I'll have to do it in 2 batches. It's got this 3-blade, and these are sharp, folks. So be careful if you buy one of these. But I really like it. It does a great job. So I'm going to put all the ingredients in here in 2 batches and chop them up. All right. Now, as I mentioned before, you can't do all of it, because the capacity of this thing will only allow you to do so much. So I'm just going to kind of do the first part, just do half the ingredients, or most of them. I'm going to put a few of these Roma tomatoes in here, like this here, and then I'm going to put the onion, some of the white onion in there. I'm not going to fill it real full. I'm going to put some garlic in there, and now I'm going to throw the cilantro in there, or cilantro. And I'm going to go ahead and put a little mango in there. And I think this will be enough. It should be able to chop this. And a couple of Poblano peppers. Now let's see what we got here. Give it a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. About 10 pulls. Let's see what we got. Now it pretty much chopped everything up, except it left a little cilantro unchopped, but that's no problem. We'll get it chopped up. Now that I've got a lot of it chopped up, I'll add maybe just a few more. Add the rest of the cilantro in here, and some more onion, and let's see, add the rest of that garlic in there too. And we'll give it some more pulls here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Alright. And that's not too bad. It did a real great job of mixing this stuff up, with the exception of one little cilantro stem. But that's no problem. And I don't mind doing it in 2 batches. Now I'm going to add my avocado. So just kind of scoop it out there. Once you get this stuff chopped up and you start chopping it, it gets easier to cut it. That's why you can't put them all in there whole. So I'll put that in there, and we'll give it. Let's see. Go ahead and put the rest of that mango in there. We'll give it a couple more pulls, several more pulls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now, that's mixed up pretty good. Now I still have some ingredients left. I've got, and what I want to do is I'm going to transfer this to a bowl later on. But right now I'm going to go ahead and put the salt in there, and I don't measure this stuff. I've got this avocado here. I'll just put it over here, and I got a few. Like that's what I've got left. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to transfer this to a bowl when I get done with this, and then chop other stuff. But I don't know, it's about a half a teaspoon of salt, roughly, and I'll put that in there. And then about a half a teaspoon of pepper. Roughly. Now, if you don't like pepper, you don't have to put pepper in here. And here's some lemon juice. I'm going to measure it. I'm probably going to go with a tablespoon of lemon juice. Now, the original recipe calls for lime juice. If you don't like lemon juice, you can use lime. I'm just using lemon juice because I want to see what it tastes like. I may not like it, and I may go back to lime. I'm just making this recipe my own, just trying something different. Okay, so we got that in there. Now I'm just going to give it a few more pulls just to mix this stuff up. Now I know a food processor would be easier, but I just found this little gadget, and it comes in great for small things. I use it about every day. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, that should mix it up pretty good. Alright, now I'm going to transfer this to the stainless steel bowl, and that way I can chop the other little few ingredients I have left. I'm just going to go ahead and chop them up and add them to this because I don't want to waste them. I mean, I could put them in the refrigerator and use them for another dish, but I'm just going to go ahead and use them in this. So let's add a few poblano pepper and the last of the Roma tomatoes, and the other half of that avocado. And what I'll do is I'm just going to chop this up, add it to the rest, and then I'll give it a little taste to see if I need any more lemon juice or salt or pepper. Looks pretty good. Good enough for me anyway. So we'll go ahead and get all this stuff in this bowl, and then we'll give her a taste test. Alright, so that's what she looks like. We're going to give it a little taste test here. Tastes pretty good, but it could use a little bit more lemon, so I'm just going to kind of drizzle it with some more lemon juice, and that should take care of that. Okay, I'm going to mix it up, give it another little taste test here. Yeah, that is good. That's just about right. Well, there you go. Pico DaBombo. Nice and creamy, smooth, delicious. I've got mine with tortilla chips, but you can use this. There's a lot of uses for this. You can put it on baked potato. You can mix it with eggs in the morning to make you a Mexican breakfast. I mean, there's just the possibilities are endless. So I hope you enjoyed this video, folks, and give it a try. And thank you for watching.